Hafa guys, Yata here with another maximum gold display opening, part 3. Yeah, so let's see what else we can pull. I've had a few good pulls already, and I'm hoping I could just pull the other cards that I'm sort of missing from the set. Yeah, so let's just take these guys out. All right. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Union Scramble. Noble Knight Dristar. Forbidden Chalice. Medoche Knights. Lose 1 turn. And Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherries. Traptrix Murmello. Extra Foolish Burial. Number C101, Solemn Judgment. Lair of Darkness and Droll and Lockbird. That's our first one. All right, there you go. Number one, C107, Terraforming. Next pack. I'm still missing Stratos. I'm still missing Blue Eyes, Dark Magician, and Nibiru. And Eldritch the Golden Lord. So can I pull in this pack? Let's see. Scrap Recycler, Go Gigas, and Chaos Dragon Legionnaire. Transcode Talker, Condemn Witch, and Kitchen Dragon Maid. What is this? Damage. Preparation of Rites. Right. Pull these over here. Next pack. Union Hanger, Medoche Knights, Miracle Contact, Dark Rebellion Exige Dragon, and Super Polymerization. Grapha Dragonlord of Dark World, Super Dimensional Robot Galaxy Destroyer. That was a mouthful. Here we go. Number C101, Drowning Mirror Force, Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. Barrier Statue of the Drought and another Droll and Lockbird. Nice. Mistaken Arrest, Mecha Phantom Beast, Jackaluslan. Next pack. Buster Blader, the Dragon Destroyer Swordsman. Noble Knight Pelennor, Barrier Statue of the Storm Winds, Synchron Carrier, and another Infinite Impermanence. Number S39 Utopia the Lightning, Mistaken Arrest. Next pack. Mistaken Accusation, Coach Soldier Wolfbark, Constellar Pleiades. Number 74 Master of Blades and Stardust Charge Warrior. Tour Bus to Forbidden Realms and Sky Palace Gengaradai. Sounds like Gengar. Gengar. Shout out to the Pokemon fanatics over there. Extra Foolish Burial, Barrier Statue of the Torrent, Lose 1 turn, and Laundry Dragon Maid. And another Red Eyes Black Dragon. That is our 4th one so far. Tour Bus to the Forbidden Realms, Planet Pathfinder. Go Gigas, Noble Knight Brothers, Domain of the True Monarchs, Anti-Magic Arrows, and Super Polymerization. Linkaribo. And Mind Control. Ooh. Nice seeing that card again. Next pack. Coach Soldier Wolfark, Mech Knight of the Morning Star, Foolish Burial, number 39, Zodiac Trident, and Cosmo Town. Trap Tricks, Mermelio. So far so good, guys. A lot of variety in this display. Barrier Statue of the Inferno, Monster Reborn, Unexpected Die, Noble Knights of the Round Table, and Dark Magician, finally. So beautiful. Noble Knight Ichtar and Mage Power. Sorry about the noise, guys. That's my dog. Anyway, Called by the Grave, Scrap Recycler, Trap Tricks Mantis, the Phantom Knights of Rusty Bardiche, and Ghost, Reaper, and Winter Cherries. Hidden Temple of Necro Valley, Speedroid Red-Eyed Dice. Right, guys, we still need to see Alistair. We still need to see Blue Eyes. We still need to see Eldritch and a Nibiru. And I'll be happy. Called by the Grave, Scrap Recycler, and finally Speak of the Devil, Alistair the Invoker. Alternate art. Here we go. So beautiful. Trickstar Reincarnation, Machine Duplication, and another Kitchen Dragon Maid. The Prime Monarch. The first Monarch, okay, the Prime and then the first. Extra Foolish Burial, Trap Tricks Mantis, Elder Entity Entis, and a number S39 Sope the Lightning. Dark Lord Eggshell, Dark Lord Contact, Parter Dragon Maid, Madote Chateau, number 15, and Polymerization. Barrier Statue of the Abyss. Alright, let's move this stack over here. Trap Tricks Dionaria, Temple of the Six, Barrier Statue of the Torrent, Laundry Dragon Maid, and another Red Eyes. Wow. DD Warrior Lady and number 101. Next pack, the White Stone of Ancients, White Prince, Solemn Judgment, Unexpected Die, number 74 Master of Blades, and Cosmo Dark Destroyer, Dimensional Prison. So far so good. If we can pull a Blue Eyes here, this will be a godly video. Magical Meltdown, number 87 Parlor Dragon Maid, Cyber Dark Core, and Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. Mecha Phantom Beast, Coltwing, Sacred Sword of 7 Stars. Right, last 2 packs. Can we end it with something big? We shall see. Tachyon Transmigration, Nurse Dragon Maid, Dark Lord Morning Star, Starlight Junction, and another Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood, and Foolish Burial Goods, Imperial Tombs of Necro Valley. Alright, the last pack. Let's call it right now, guys. One of the cards I'm looking for is in here. Drowning Mirror Force, Noble Knight Dristan, Monster Reborn, Miracle Contact, Cyber Dragon Core, and another Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Alright guys, if you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Yata out.